In this video, I'm going to show you how creating an entrance to a lawn improves the overall design. Currently, the route through to the back garden is probably by the path, but there's no real reason to go across the lawn. And indeed, we've got jinks and corners and angles that make the whole of the shape of the lawn feel less balanced. So how do we go about putting a route and an entrance into the garden? Well, maybe we can grid things up a bit. We've already got this dink in the lawn caused by the tree on the right hand side, so maybe we can balance up some different entrances through this large open space here, and we could grid the lawn up and see how that looks. And in this case it looks a little bit like a runway, so this is not going to help. But maybe what if we offset the entrance a little bit and we made people go through an exit that wasn't directly opposite, so we lose that runway effect. Would that work? Well, yeah, so let's see if we try and balance the shape of the lawn a little bit. We could create two deep borders here next to the decking, and then maybe create and mirror that with some borders at the far end of the garden to give us a route in and a route out. Now it all of a sudden looks a little better. You know, we have a defined entrance and we have a defined exit, but we need to make entrances worth walking through. Something that says, come in here, there's something nice to see. And pergolas are really good at that. But obviously we need to add some squiggly planting in. So let's see if I can put in some taller planting at the front so you can't see all the way down to the back of the garden straight away. How does that look? And now we've put an entrance in. Come on in.